What is going on, guys? It's Nick Mac here. How the hell are you doing? This is a new video for 2024. Today we got a special guest, and the special guest is Mia. That's right, guys, my daughter's out here helping me film this. So that's another thing in 2024 I'm going to try to do is make this channel more family friendly. Just like take this moment to thank people that have subscribed. Thank you, and yeah, we'll try to keep doing what we're doing. I want to try to send the side-by-side through this snowdrift here. It's pretty deep. I brought a scraper so we can hit the bottom. So here, hold on a second, I'll do it again because I know you haters. All right, we jab that baby in. So it's about just I say a foot and a half, just over a foot deep here. I think it might be pretty good if we get a good run at it from down that hill, and I just want to see how far I can make it. Yeah, and what else are we gonna do? We're gonna break a snowman today. You want to break a snowman? Yeah. Okay, we'll break a snowman too. With the side-by-side? All right, what are we gonna do now, kiddo?
Build a snowman.
And what are we gonna do to that snowman?
Run the snowman over.
Here's our snowman. Mia's just putting some hair on it.
Yeah, and we have to get the eyes.
We gotta get eyes and a nose.
I don't want him to die.
He's not gonna die. We're just gonna run him over with the side-by-side. Start this video out, go get the side-by-side, and let's do this. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let's take this thing for a little bit of a rip. Hey, kid, we gotta go for a little bit of a rip to warm up the belt. All right, we're gonna go warm up the belt. Oh, we're getting muddy. It is super muddy over here. Here's where you're getting out. Let's see if the camera's rolling. Yeah, the camera is rolling. Show how muddy the side-by-side is. I'll be back.
This is so fun.
I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but it might. Here we go. We'll keep it in mind. Kid, did you get the shot?
Yeah, but couldn't catch up.
I'll come through again and you stand here, okay? I got all wet. Look at me. Did it look cool?
It did look cool.
It did look cool? One thumb up. All right, stay here and I'll go back and I'll do it again, okay?
So he's coming right now. Oh, I can start seeing. Oh, okay. Can you see him? Oh.
Worried. You're next, snowman. All right, now what are we gonna do next? We're gonna hit this. Do you want to be in the side-by-side with me? We hit it.
Yeah.
We'll set up the GoPro over there somewhere, and we'll hit the snowman.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Mia's just saying goodbye to her snowman. Say bye to the snowman.
Bye. Bye, Bobby Joe.
Fingers crossed we don't break nothing. All right, let's get in here. You want your goggles on?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, this is gonna be fun. You want to hit them fast or slow?
What do you think?
We'll go medium speed. How about that? Because I don't want the rocks and everything hitting us. Alright, let's go. I caught his head. We took them right out. We cleaned it. That'll be awesome. I gotta get the GoPro.
Can I get it?
Yeah, go get it. How's the front of the side-by-side look? Good? No breakage?
Did you guys see that?
Look at the front of the side-by-side. Show the front of the side-by-side.
That's
No breakage? No carnage? That's
No.
good. Get in here, kid. Well, that was fun, guys. We're gonna go check that out on the film, and we'll make a little outro for you guys. All right, guys. So for you haters out there, look how deep the snow is here. We got Mia there. It's up to her knee. Keep walking, kid. It's pretty deep through here. It's filled in a little bit. Good thing those crips were working. I was dragging the skid plate. You can see the bottom out there. But it's pretty deep through here. I'm pretty surprised that the Maverick made it all the way through this. It's pretty long. But that being said, it's time for us to go. So Mia's got something she wants to say to you guys.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and hit that thumbs up. Also, follow us on Instagram.
That's right, guys. Hit that like button and leave a comment.
Give me a huge thumbs up.
Mia wants to give you a huge thumbs up now that she's not on camera. She gets all camera shy. All right, guys, have a great day.